Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can create auto motion tracking, or even how you can blur faces in your video, or just track everything you want in Adobe Premiere. So let's start. First, what you want to do is to have a clip in your timeline. When you have a clip in your timeline, you want to go to Effects, and when you are in Effects, right there, Blur. Now you will have a Gaussian blur. That's the one we need. Take it, grab it, and paste it on your video. When you paste it on your video, you will find it here, down below. Have your video clicked. And now what we want to do is we want to track our girl on a beach. I know that she's not showing face, but let's say that we want to blur her hair and track her, because look, it's just slowly moving. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a circle, the mask, and we are going to play with it a little bit. But no, that's not what I wanted. Like that. Let's put it on middle, the tracking. Like this, like alrighty mighty. And let's track her down. Like that. Now we're going to click on this play button, the track selected mask forward. And it's going to track her. And while it's doing that, I'm going to tell you a story. What I found out is you should stop following social media at all. Like, I know that this is just a random thought, but for the last 2 days, I stopped going on Instagram, on Facebook, on Reddit, on Twitter. And I'm just being with myself. And what is happening right now, that when you are with yourself and you are not getting any information at all, you got more energy and you are happier. And why is that? Because from evolutionary standpoint, when you, like in the past, when we were farmers or we were killing, I don't know, some big animals or something, we didn't have so much information. We didn't care what was happening on the other side of the country, because it wouldn't even affect us. So why would I get an information? Also, why would I care about people on Facebook? Like, honestly, about someone living in, I don't know, that he's not my real friend. He's just on Facebook sharing his story. I don't care about it. It's completely useless information for me. So why should I even get it? And this is happening for the last 20 years since internet is out, that we are constantly, every day we are getting so much information, and it's not healthy for our brain. Like, I'm telling you right now, it's not healthy at all. I recommend you try it out. Stop going on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Reddit, and also newspaper. Oh my God. Like, guys, news on television. Do you think that if you stop from now on, stop watching completely news, in 1 year, like you didn't even need it. Like, I'm not watching news for the last 4 years. Yet I know everything what is happening in our politics, because people are talking me about that. And like, hey, did you hear about it? I'm like, I don't have opinion on it. I know who to vote for. That's the most important thing, because I know okay, if you don't know, if there is a votes coming, what you want to do is to 2 days before votes coming, you're just going to read about every position, about every candidate, and then you want that you vote for the most healthy and good one, right? That's all. And you don't need to follow it for the whole year. Why would you do that? Just focus on work, creating, and enjoying your life. So that's what I wanted to share with you. And let's get back. As you can see, it's tracking, but at some points you need to play around it. So just go here and just edit it like you need to. Open it like that. So that's what I wanted to share with you. It's really damn important to not get any information at all. It's completely useless for you. So, and you need to play, because sometimes the Premiere is not working that all right. And when you have it, what you want to do is you will have a blurriness here. And now you want to go to blurriness. And as you can see, it's blurred. And we are going to play it. and you can see the clear blurriness here. And now I would have to even move it here, like again, click on the mask path, and play around it. So this is how we do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you are going to stop going on social media at all and stop reading news. Like, I can even say how much healthier it is. I can even explain that. Wow, just wow. Thank you very much, everybody. Goodbye.